Hello, I'm Glenn Willis, Director of Cyber Technology at Kalles Group. I'm here with two of our wonderful privacy consultants, Arthur Mansourian and AJ Prasad. We have planned for you a series of topics to talk through here that we hope you all find helpful in understanding ways to set up for success with your privacy programs. Hi, I'm Glenn Willis, Director of Cyber Technology at Kalles Group, here with two of our privacy experts that we have within our team, Arthur Mansourian and AJ Prasad. We're going to cover a number of topics that will be released in kind of a short series of podcast forms here today. And AJ, we'll start with you. I think one of the most underappreciated aspects of setting up a privacy program long-term is how much cross-functional work has to be synergized, collaborated around, et cetera. I think sometimes when organizations are early in their journey, they think we could just hire a couple of privacy analysts and kind of build some requirements and things like that. But once you really start to roll things out, touching a lot of different functions. So give us top 2 or 3 things you've learned in this area as you've been supporting organizations across that part of the program.
Hi, Glenn. I think overall, when you're thinking about privacy in general or any practice, it's like any other business. You need to be organized. You need to understand who you will turn to when you have a question. And one of the things that most organizations do is they'll develop some sort of a RACI chart. And what that is knowing who's responsible, who's accountable, who's consulted, and who's informed. When it comes to privacy in general, because this is an organizational-wide project typically, everyone needs to be informed on what privacy practices are and what best practices are. So I think one of the first things any organization could do is establish who's responsible for this program and also put some training out there, training material out there to understand what exactly the organization's North Star is, per se.
Great. And then it specifically some organizations are really focusing on policy, making sure end users are following policy, being compliant with that. But some organizations have to affect actual engineering implementation. And that side of things, anything come to mind to kind of share with our listeners on that side, how to make it easy for engineering teams to advance technical requirements in the organization?
Well, one of the things that you have to do is get those guys in the same room as privacy champions. So, for example, an engineer may be focused on setting up a system, but they may not know what privacy by design is or what best practices are currently. And when you have a privacy champion, that's someone that's reading articles on LinkedIn, following IAPP, following other champions within the privacy industry overall, or even looking at regulations such as GDPR or CCPA, or the state regulations are becoming more present every day. So once you have folks like that being connected with engineers, then the engineers know what the best steps are. Just in my own experience, I've been working with engineers who have no idea what data privacy even means. There's a lot of confusion between security and privacy. Yes, you can have a totally secure environment, but yet privacy practices are not enacted properly if those folks don't understand it. So engineers, they have a very technical mind, and they will follow instructions if they know what to do. So I think getting those folks together makes a huge difference.